Hi guys, I'm back with a tutorial. This time I show you how to make these beautiful watercolor bookmarks. I thought it would be so much fun to do this with you together. First of all, here are the supplies I used. Watercolor paper, mine is 250 gram. Watercolors, brushes, a jar of clean water, some pencils and pens, a spray bottle with clean water, washi tape to fix the paper, a punch, a scissor, and some accessories like charms and embroidery thread. If you're interested, I will have them listed in the description down below. I cut my watercolor paper down to 7.4 to 21 centimeter, so you can make 4 bookmarks from an A4 sheet of paper. I fixed the paper with washi tape so it does not shift. Next, I get my paper really wet. Now the fun part started. I add color onto my wet paper. It's called the wet in wet technique. I let the colors blend together, but don't mix them too heavy to avoid smudgy colors. I like to use a crumpled paper towel to lift some of the pigments and to create an interesting texture. I love to play around with the colors, it is so much fun, and I hope you grab your colors and enjoy it too. I speed up the video for the next bookmarks. The process is the same with different colors. After my paintings are finished, I let them dry completely. I wanted to offer these plant drawings for you as free printable. I have it linked down below in the description if you want to download them. They are great for inspiration, or you can cut them out and use them as stickers for your journal. Whatever you do, I hope you enjoy it. I had so much fun doing these cute doodles. I did the pencil drawing first, and then I went over it with black pens using Faber-Castell PITT artist pens in XS and S. I tiered the edges of the paper because I love this handmade vintage look. It makes the finished bookmarks natural and organic. At least I made these beautiful cords out of embroidery thread and attached little charms to it. Next I punched holes into the bookmarks and pulled the cord through them. And finished are these beautiful bookmarks. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section which of these beautiful bookmarks is your favorite. My original artwork and prints are available on my Etsy. I leave the link in the description if you are interested. I will see you in my next video. Bye!